Top 5 Diet Cookbooks on Amazon UK in 2021. If you're looking to improve your overall health, trying a new diet is a great place to start. And there are certainly plenty of popular ones to choose from. Amazon team of experts has selected the best diets out of hundreds of models. The key considerations that lead the team to their results are health concerns, investment, research, community support, and diet and lifestyle changes. The number 1 diet cookbook is Pinch of Nom Quick and Easy, 100 Delicious, Slimming Recipes by Kay Allington. Pros: features top quality quick to prepare recipes that are easy to follow. Helps experienced and novice home cooks prepare flavorful and satisfying healthy meals. Cons: some criticize the recipe's insufficiently varied nutrients. The second place goes to How to Make Anything Gluten-Free, the Sunday Times bestseller, by Becky Excel. Pros: ingredients for these diets are common staples you stock in your kitchen. Gluten-free recipes for vegans, vegetarians, dairy-free, and low FODMAP. Includes techniques and ingredient tips. Cons: has been criticized for neglecting a focus on main foods. In the third place is Plant Over Processed, 75 Simple and Delicious Plant-Based Recipes by Andrea Hanneman. Pros: has easy-to-follow recipes for tasty foods that are also healthy. Ingredients are readily available. The Plants Over Processed Challenge section is A+. Cons: the 30-day plan can work, but isn't a long-term solution, only a beginning. At number 4 we have Growing Up Keto, a practical guide for kids and parents by Dr. Christy H. Sullivan. Pros: comprehensive health tips and recipes. Easy to follow even for younger family members. Users lose weight without compromising the quality of their meals. Includes full keto diet guidelines. Cons: some ingredients are hard to find or too pricey for many. Number 5 is So You Think You Can Juice by Kashana Yara Waples. Pros: easy to follow and precise recipes to make juicing easier and healthier. Ideal for all juicers whether experienced or not. Compiles the benefits of different vegetables and fruits. Cons: some ingredients can be hard to find for some readers. Diet cookbooks present recipes and help educate on the impact certain foods have on our bodies. They also offer helpful tips and life hacks for the novice and little gems of information for more seasoned cooks. Whether your goal is weight loss or you simply want to feel healthier from better food choices, investing in a new diet cookbook could provide you with the motivation you need for success. I have left the links to all 5 diet cookbooks in the description in case you want to find out more about them. Thank you for watching.